अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड हेलो, दिस इज शाजिया हबीब एंड यू आर वाचिंग फ्यूचर मैगजीन। आज मैं आपसे बात करूंगी कुछ राइटिंग टिप्स के बारे में। द वीडियो माइट बी टाइटल्ड राइटिंग टिप्स फॉर डमीज, लेकिन नाम पे मत जाइएगा, दैट्स जस्ट रिलेटेड टू द बुक्स दैट यू माइट और माइट नॉट हैव सीन, विच इज ऑन economics for dummies, chemistry for dummies, so writing tips for dummies, and it can be for anyone. That doesn't mean that you or I are a dummy, so please iska bura mat maniega. Okay, I'm going to conduct most of this in English, but मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि उर्दू में भी बात करूं, क्योंकि हम राइटिंग इंग्लिश में कर रहे हैं. मे बी इट्स बेटर टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश. लेकिन सबसे पहले मैं दो चीजें कहना चाहूंगी. एक ये कि I edit for Fuchsia Magazine, www.fuchsiamagazine.com, and over the years मेरी भी एक राइटिंग जर्नी हुई है. मैंने भी सीखा है कि कौन से आर्टिकल्स लोग पढ़ना चाहते हैं, नहीं पढ़ना चाहते. मैंने भी गलतियां करी हैं. सो आई एम होपिंग दैट आई कैन टीच यू और पास ऑन सम ऑफ दोज, नॉट गलतियां बट लर्निंग प्रोसेस विथ यू, ताकि आप भी कोशिश करें. इफ यू हैव अ राइटर इन यू, you've always wanted to write, so just some tips that I have been giving out to our interns also who come and write with us. Okay, don't go on your English or your Urdu right now. It doesn't matter अगर आपकी अंग्रेजी सही नहीं है, आप लिखना चाहते हैं, because I've seen a lot of people have very good ideas and content, even though they might not be able to express themselves very well. So we can always help you with that, or you can ask someone who is good in English to help you once you have formed your main idea and the structure of your article. I'm going to teach you three things right now, or actually tell you about three things. Number one is the topic that you think about when you write. Secondly, the content. Once you have decided what you're writing about, how will you present it? And number three, how to wrap it up and end it. Coming to the topic first, I think it's very hard for people to decide, अच्छा आज सुबह मैं किस चीज के बारे में लिखूं. So for me, it's important that I scan all the publications. कभी मैं डॉन पढ़ती हूँ, कभी मैं ट्रिब्यून पढ़ती हूँ, कभी मैं द न्यूज पढ़ती हूँ, कभी मैं द करंट पढ़ती हूँ, कभी मैं द गल्फ, एंड देयर इज वन न्यूज़पेपर फ्रॉम द गल्फ विच इज न्यूज ऑन यूएई एंड दुबई. और कभी कभी मैं वॉशिंगटन पोस्ट या द बज़फीड या ऐसे भी आर्टिकल्स पढ़ती हूँ. Why do I read these articles? Because not so that I can copy them or regurgitate, that means just replicate what is written. Copy paste करने का idea नहीं होता. The idea is to get inspirations. I might get inspirations from Twitter. So I will go on Twitter and I will see, okay, what's trending? What are people talking about? I might go on Facebook. I might pick up something from a forum. अच्छा, लोगों को इस ड्रामे की ये बात interesting लगी. Or maybe I already have an idea which is great. If you have an idea yourself, that's the best thing, because maybe you feel very passionate about something. So then you just need to jot down your points, whether you pick up a topic from online or whether you have something you want to say yourself. Acha ji, now we come to the content. You know what you have to write. Supposing, I'll give you an example. Supposing you want to write about how to handle loss. Acha, now how to handle loss may, either you are a great motivational speaker, you have been through something yourself, which is a huge loss, which means you can write one article on loss. Or maybe you would like to pick up from stories of people who have been through a great loss. So for me, I would definitely pick up on all three. For example, अगर आप Joe Biden की बात करें, you will see that Joe Biden has now become the president, but he went through a lot of personal losses. He lost his son, he lost his wife. How did someone overcome such intense tragedy and still go ahead and do something great in his life? So maybe you want to pick up on that. Now, you can look at his story, you can pick up something from there, but I would say Joe Biden has been written about a lot. So I would also go and check out people जिनके बारे में लोगों को इतना नहीं पता है, because you have to keep your reader in mind. The person whom you are writing for has to read something they have not read before, and you have to pass on something to them which is of value. ठीक है? So if you do personal loss and how you can overcome personal loss, and you want to do someone like Joe Biden, I would say pick up three well-known people, not just one. और वो तीन लोगों को आप थोड़ा थोड़ा उनके बारे में लिखेंगे. You might want to go look, और एक जगह don't go to one source. You might want to see some interviews, some videos, some writing material that in which you get to know about the person. So here's where your research comes in. Or you might pick up one person people don't know about very well. It could be someone within your community, and you might want to tell one personal life story and maybe come up with three things that you liked about that person that inspired you. Ab iske andar bhi you can pick up a quote, but then now you have to make it very personal. So you have to pick up what you loved. This is where you come into your writing. आपको उस इंसान के बारे में कौन सी चीज बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पायर जिससे आप इंस्पायर हुए हैं, एंड यू वुड से ओके दिस इज व्हाट आई कनेक्ट विद, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस एस्पेक्ट of his or her personality and talk about that. So this is one thing. It could also be maybe someone who's doing charity work. For example, there is a lady who's doing, I think it's called Mama and Baby Fund in Pakistan. मुझे उनकी story बड़ी inspiring लगी थी. Maybe you can get in touch with that person if they are available, and you can ask him a few questions जो आपको नहीं online मिले, which would make it a very good personal and original piece of work. So it depends how much work you want to put into research and what you want to bring to the reader, but you can make it your own piece. Do remember when you are writing, the audience that you're writing for. The reader, okay? If you're writing for someone under 30, you're not going to write about anti-wrinkle cream, right? Even though you might be over 40, but you have to make sure that you connect with the reader because you're already connected with yourself. So you need to think how the reader will. I normally like to wrap it up by giving my own opinion, because when I have been through that writing process, I've had enough time to think about what is happening in my life and what exactly, how do I connect with the piece I've written. So I might actually want to throw out a question to the reader कि हमने ये देखा ये देखा ये देखा, what do you think? Or if you feel that you are not at that stage or you don't really have an opinion about it, you can pick up an inspirational quote from someone and you can put that in also and then ask a question. So there are different ways of ending the piece, but it has to be very impactful. In the same way, my introduction pe nahi aayi thi, introduction also needs to be very impactful. Again, you pick up a quote or you pick up a question or you make it so impactful that you have to grab the reader into reading the entire piece or at least go through 70% of it. That's all for today. I can give you lots more, लेकिन मुझे आपको overwhelm नहीं करना. I would like some feedback from you on what else you want to hear, because I have loads of things I would love to talk to you about. Writing tips, also common grammatical mistakes जो हम लोग करते हैं, जो because I come across them in writing in a lot of other publications also when I'm reading them. I do come across them. So maybe that's something you want to hear about. मुझे please comments में ज़रूर बताइएगा. One last piece of advice, a little tip, जब आपने अपना article लिख लिया है, don't publish it straight away. Keep it aside, read it the next day. आपको ज़रूर उसमें गलतियां नजर आएंगी, which you will want to correct. Give it to someone else to read. Give it to 2 or 3 people and ask them for feedback. Follow up. It's very important that other people read your writing and ask them a simple question. Where did I lose you? Is there anything that I need to cut? Maybe my article is very long. Maybe you're not connecting with it. So this is constructive criticism, और आप ये मांगे लोगों से. People whom you feel will be very harsh with you, but will be true and real and give you the feedback that you want. That's it from me, Shazia Habib. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I love bringing it to you. And you're watching Fuchsia Magazine. Thank you.